Novak Djokovic has been deported from Australia after the entire controversy surrounding the Australian Open. He's not playing in the Australian Open, and now the next big challenge for Djokovic is that he perhaps will not be allowed to play in the French Open either, with France coming out with a clear mandate that for any sporting event, the athletes participating and all spectators must be fully vaccinated. Another vaccine mandate that Djokovic simply doesn't meet. It looks like the defending champion of the French Open this time will not be able to participate.
Trouble refuses to subside for Novak Djokovic. After the embarrassment of being deported from Australia and not being allowed to participate at the Australian Open, the world number one is now in danger of being barred from the French Open too. France has passed a new vaccination law on Sunday, which may force Djokovic to either get vaccinated or forget about defending his title at Roland Garros. The new law makes it mandatory for people to have a certificate of vaccination to enter public places such as restaurants, cafes, cinemas, and long-distance trains. The French Sports Ministry has issued a statement saying the vaccine pass will be imposed as soon as the new law is promulgated in establishments that were already subject to the health pass. This will apply to everyone who is a spectator or a professional sports person. Djokovic in the past has made his reservations against getting vaccinated loud and clear. But all that came back to haunt him when he landed in Australia more than a couple of weeks ago, going through some massive embarrassment. The world number one Serb is currently locked at 20 Grand Slam titles each with Roger Federer and Rafa Nadal, and was hoping to go one up to become the most successful men's singles player. If he continues to stick to his guns over his strong beliefs against vaccination, there could be more embarrassment in store for the best tennis player of this last one decade. Sports Bureau, India Today.